Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum, a sleek and premium cleaning solution that complements your home decor while making your cleaning routine smarter and more efficient. With Wi-Fi connectivity and personalized cleaning recommendations, this Roomba is perfect for tackling pet hair, carpets, and hard floors, all while being compatible with Alexa for voice-activated convenience. Its 3-stage cleaning system, complete with dual multi-surface brushes and an edge-sweeping brush, ensures thorough cleaning by loosening, lifting, and suctioning dirt from every corner and edge. The Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits to offer personalized schedules, and its adaptive navigation, powered by a full suite of advanced sensors, allows it to maneuver under furniture and along edges without a hitch. Thanks to Dirt Detect sensors, it targets high-traffic areas for a more thorough clean, while the auto-adjust cleaning head adapts to different floor types seamlessly. With a runtime of up to 90 minutes, this vacuum automatically docks and recharges, ensuring clean floors every day without the hassle. So, whether it's carpets or hard floors, the iRobot Roomba 692 is your go-to solution for a spotless home.